So the hyperbolic gun and the hyperized massage tools are going to combine the technology of vibration and massage. Collectively, they're going to work to maximize your recovery in your key areas like your quads, your calves, and maybe your tight spots around your hips. So if you're feeling a little bit tired, fatigued, maybe a bit of muscle tension, definitely use these to help maximize your recovery and get you ready to perform again. So with our hyperized and hypervolt gear, it's going to use massage therapy. So obviously the hypervolt gun can be used to decrease delayed onset muscle soreness. So these are types of things that we can experience for up to 3 days post-workout. So obviously if you're looking to get back into your training, it can be a good tool to use to help reduce that delayed onset muscle soreness and get you right and ready to go again. So the hyperized massage balls and foam rollers can be a great tool to use to help you get back to your ready state workout. They can be used through areas like your quads, your glutes, your calves, and all these areas where you might have a bit of perceived muscle soreness. Recently we've had the addition of the Normal Tech recovery boots, which are a great addition to your recovery protocol. They're going to use compression to help flush through all this new fresh blood into your legs and get you feeling ready to train again. Collectively, we can use all of these tools to help aid our recovery, to help maximize your performance, to make sure that you're ready to perform at your peak when you need to throughout your workouts.